Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Gurgitat 6in1 accessories bundle for the Nintendo Switch 2, the 2025 edition. This bundle is designed to provide a full range of accessories for Switch 2 owners, combining style, protection, and convenience in one package. First, let's talk about compatibility. This bundle is specifically crafted for the Nintendo Switch 2 from 2025. But it also mentions compatibility with previous Switch models including the 2017 version, the Switch Lite from 2019, and the OLED model from 2021. The idea here is to give Switch players a comprehensive solution that covers a variety of devices while keeping everything secure and easy to access. The bundle includes 6 key components. There's a storage carrying case, a protective cover for the Switch 2 itself, an adjustable shoulder strap, 2 Joy-Con grips, 2 thumb grips, and a 24-slot game card holder. The carrying case is designed with custom compartments, including slots for the console, 12 game cards, a mesh bag for extra accessories like Joy-Cons and cables, and a padded interior that protects your gear from scratches and minor impacts. The protective cover for the Switch 2 is made of a combination of EVA shell and PU leather, offering resistance against drops, scratches, dust, and even water stains, while the soft velvet lining keeps your console safe from scuffs. One of the most appealing features is its portability. The case is lightweight, comes with a rubber handle, and the adjustable shoulder strap makes it easy to carry around for gaming on the go. The design itself is playful and stylish, featuring bright colors and cute cartoon motifs that will appeal to teens and young adults alike. The Joy-Con grips and thumb grips provide an added layer of comfort during extended gaming sessions. And the 24-card game holder ensures you can take your favorite games wherever you go without worrying about losing them. Overall, it's a comprehensive set that combines practical protection with a visually appealing design, making it ideal for both travel and everyday use. With dimensions of 11 by 1.7 by 5 inches and weighing just under a pound, this bundle strikes a balance between carrying capacity and portability. Whether you're looking to protect your Switch 2 from everyday wear and tear, organize your game cartridges, or just carry your console in style, the Gurgitat 6in1 accessories bundle covers all bases. That's it for today's review. If you're a Switch 2 owner looking for a convenient and stylish way to carry and protect your console, this bundle could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and accessories.